10 minutes or less than 2 hours. It'll be the glorious 12th of the pious glories in immortal memory when we celebrate our freedom, religion and laws. And we're going to sing a song about it now, and we hope it won't offend anyone, but there's nothing in the words that would really, because there's nothing against religion or anything like that. It's a lovely song. It goes something like this.
Sash My Father Wore. It is old, but it is beautiful, and its colors they are fine. It was worn on Derry offering, and is still